Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be replacing the headlights on the Seat MII. But yeah, let's get onto it. It should be a quick and easy install. First of all, you've got to pop the bonnet. The bonnet releases on the passenger side, and then obviously release the bonnet, open the bonnet. And first of all, then to access the headlight bulb, you want to pull the harness cable loom thingy off. Pull that off. Once you've pulled that the wiring connector off for the bulb, there's a rubber boot, and once you pull that off, that will release a spring clip, and then you can unspring and release the clip, and that will give you access to pull the bulb out. Obviously I'm going to be replacing them for some bluey-ish, whitish bulbs. The bulbs say they're white, they're never actually that white, but they're a lot whiter and brighter than the original OEM style yellow light that the bulbs have. But yeah, no, here's the bulbs. Obviously, if you position, make sure the bulb goes the right way around. You don't want to install it upside down. If you look inside, it will only go one way. But yeah, you position the bulb, and then what we're going to do is put the spring clip back in. So these little silver prongy bits, clip them in, and then put the rubber boot on. Make sure that's all sealed, and that will stop any moisture and whatnot getting into the headlight. And yeah, then that's it. You just connect up the headlight bulb and you're ready to go. And then literally same again on the other side. You pull the bulb out. First of all, you want to pull the connector off, take the rubber boot off, and take the spring clip out to pull the bulb out. This one for me was a little bit messy because the connector was just stuck on to the bulb itself, so I done everything the wrong way on this one. But yeah, so basically yeah, it was just stuck. But yeah, no, that's it basically. And then obviously same again, put the bulb in, put the spring clips back in, adjust them to suit, and then yeah, rubber boot goes on and press it on, and then Bob's your uncle, happy days, ready to go. I'll just give you a comparison of what the yellow light was like before, and yeah. But no, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is a quick easy video. A few guys have asked for the tail lights to be replaced, how to do that. I will be doing that soon. It's just waiting for one of them to go, and then as soon as one of them goes, I'll do a video, because there's no point in me replacing bulbs that don't need replacing. But yeah, if you guys have any other videos that you'd like to see on the Seat MII or the vwup, let me know, or just any general, let me know, and then I'll see if I get some filmed, and then we'll put it up on the channel as well. But yeah, check out my other videos on the channel. I've got a couple of cars on at the moment, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one.